and let me just go around and type in database, let's say, for example, which is a set of tools that you can actually add in inside of Notion. So over here, what I'm going to do is, let's say, for example, press slash on my keyboard and type in table. Once you go ahead and do that, you can see that database table view is actually an option right here that you can click and add in. So once you go ahead and do that, this is the database table that you have. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say tasks, and over here, I'm just going to go ahead and add in, let's say, content right here. So these are the different pages of the database. So you can go ahead and, let's say, for example, brainstorming. So you can simply go ahead and add this in. And then I'm simply going to go around over here as well and say scripting, just like this. And I'm going to go around and say, let's say, shooting, just like this. And then this is what I have, as you can see. So I got all of these right here. And then since this is a database, I can open up individual pages right here and add a property to this, as you can see right here, and then add in comments and add in different properties right here, just like this as well. So this is how you can actually go ahead and maintain out a database according to how you want. And as you add it in, you can actually see the database content right here. Like you got the number, you got the text right here, just like this, and this is what you have. You can also go ahead and add in, let's say, new page right here. And let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and add in planning, and you can add in the properties right here, and then simply go ahead and, let's say, for example, add in the contents right here in the table according to how you want right there. You can also go ahead and add in another content right here on the database, like let's say, for example, check boxes. And let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say status right here. And then you can go ahead and check this off and so forth right here. And this is how you can go ahead and utilize database table inside of Notion. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.